Hello dear subscribers, they will tell you so how to use screen recording on your macOS Tahoe. So for doing that, you just need to install this application, QuickTime Player. Also, you could install it from App Store. You just need to write here QuickTime. Sorry, I just need to switch my language. Also, if you won't find it from here, you could also just download and install it from web actually. So after you will install QuickTime Player, you could also just open it. After, you just need to type here File, New Screen Recording, and after you will start screen record your screen. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, bye.